Around 4.5 billion years ago, there was a lot of dust and gas floating in space. Nearby, a new star was born. This dusty cloud and gas caught the star's attention and started to gather around it. That's how our home Earth began. Hi all, welcome again to Story Time with Philip. As time passed, the bits and pieces in this space dance stuck together because of gravity. This process formed our rocky planet, which started going around the young sun. Earth was like a new kid in the solar system. During this time, the solar system was like a busy playground. Things bumped into each other, and sometimes bits from space added to Earth's size. The early Earth didn't have much going on. It was a barren and empty place. This is where our story begins, when Earth was just starting its journey in space. It was like a big, slow dance of things coming together. As Earth joined this cosmic story, little did it know that it was going to be the stage for an incredible tale, the story of life unfolding over a really, really long time. After its birth in the cosmic ballet, Earth entered a tumultuous phase around 4.5 billion years ago. This was a time of intense heat and constant collisions. The early Earth was like a hot, boiling pot, and there wasn't much stability. During this fiery era, the surface of the Earth was mostly molten, like a sea of lava. Imagine a world where everything was so hot that nothing could stay solid for long. The atmosphere, the air around the planet, was a wild mix of gases, and there was no calm or order. Earth was still finding its way, and the future held many uncertainties. The heat and collisions were molding the young Earth, setting the stage for what was to come in the next era of its journey through time. Around 4 billion years ago, Earth began to cool down from its fiery beginnings. The intense heat started to ease, allowing the surface to solidify. As this happened, something incredible took shape: oceans. Picture vast bodies of water, stretching across the early Earth. These were the first oceans, and they marked a significant turning point. The once molten surface now had places where water could gather and create expansive seas. In this aquatic environment, life began to take its first steps. Simple, single-celled organisms, the pioneers of existence, emerged in these ancient oceans. It was the dawn of life on Earth, a time when the seas teemed with microscopic beings that would lay the groundwork for the diverse and complex life that would follow ahead. Around 2.5 billion years ago, Earth underwent a profound transformation. In this time, certain bacteria evolved the remarkable ability to produce oxygen through a process called photosynthesis. This dramatic change had a lasting impact on the planet's atmosphere and the evolution of life. As these oxygen-producing bacteria flourished, they released vast amounts of oxygen into the air. This influx of oxygen had a twofold effect: it transformed the atmosphere, giving rise to the oxygen-rich air we breathe today, and it set the stage for the evolution of more complex life forms. The Proterozoic Eon was marked by the emergence of eukaryotic cells with a nucleus and other organelles, ushering in a new era of biological complexity. Multicellular organisms began to evolve, diversifying the tapestry of life on Earth. This era laid the groundwork for the incredible biodiversity that would unfold in the epochs to come. Around 541 million years ago, Earth witnessed a spectacular burst of life known as the Cambrian explosion. This time in Earth's story was like a grand unveiling of the incredible diversity of life forms. The seas, in particular, became a vibrant stage for an evolutionary drama. During this time, the oceans teemed with a dazzling array of organisms. Creatures with shells, exoskeletons, and primitive backbones emerged, showcasing a remarkable burst of innovation in the animal kingdom. The pace of evolution accelerated, and life took on myriad forms, experimenting with new shapes and structures. The Cambrian explosion was a pivotal moment in Earth's history, setting the stage for the development of complex ecosystems. It marked the advent of various animal phyla and laid the foundation for the diverse web of life that would continue to evolve in the epochs that followed. The oceans, once relatively simple in their inhabitants, became a bustling showcase of biological creativity and adaptation. Between 252 and 66 million years ago, Earth experienced the Mesozoic era, often referred to as the Age of Dinosaurs. This unfolded across three iconic periods: the Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous. Dinosaurs, magnificent and diverse, dominated the landscapes, evolving into a variety of shapes and sizes. The Triassic period marked the rise of the first dinosaurs, setting the stage for the Jurassic, where colossal creatures like the mighty Brachiosaurus and fearsome predators like the Velociraptor roamed the Earth. The Cretaceous period witnessed the peak of dinosaur diversity. However, this concluded with a dramatic event: the Cretaceous Paleogene extinction event, around 66 million years ago. This catastrophic occurrence led to the demise of the dinosaurs, making way for the rise of mammals and a profound shift in Earth's ecosystems. The end of the Mesozoic era marked the beginning of a new era in the planet's history. The Cenozoic era, spanning from around 66 million years ago to the present day, unfolded as the Age of Mammals. This witnessed the rise of mammals, including our distant ancestors, the early primates. Following the dramatic events of the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction, mammals diversified and adapted to various ecological niches. The Eocene, Miocene, Pliocene, and Pleistocene epochs saw the evolution of different mammalian forms, from small, scurrying creatures to massive mammals like mammoths and saber-toothed cats. Around 2.6 million years ago, the Quaternary period began, characterized by a series of ice ages. This period shaped landscapes and influenced the evolution of mammals, including the emergence and evolution of Homo sapiens, our own species. This chapter culminates in the present day, where humans have become the dominant species on Earth, reshaping landscapes, ecosystems, and the very climate of the planet. The story of Earth's history continues to be written by the collective actions of its inhabitants, with the Age of Mammals transitioning into an era where human influence has become a defining force. The Holocene epoch, which began around 10,000 years ago and continues into the present day, is the final era in Earth's geological timeline. This epoch is marked by relatively stable climatic conditions and the flourishing of diverse ecosystems. It encompasses the period since the last major glaciation of the Quaternary period. During the early Holocene, human societies transitioned from hunter-gatherer lifestyles to settled agricultural communities. The cultivation of crops and the domestication of animals brought about profound changes in human societies, leading to the rise of civilizations and the development of complex cultures. In more recent times, the Industrial Revolution, which began in the 18th century, brought about unprecedented technological advancements, transforming human societies and economies. However, it also ushered in an era of increased environmental impact, with consequences such as climate change, habitat loss, and biodiversity decline. As we navigate the complexities of the present day, the Holocene epoch continues to be shaped by the actions of human societies. The challenges and opportunities we face in this timeline of Earth's history underscore the interconnectedness of the planet and the importance of responsible stewardship for the well-being of both the environment and future generations.